Welcome back. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you Excel enthusiasts out there. We will be diving into the mid function, which is a powerful text function in Excel that allow you to extract a specific character from a text writing. Before we dive into the syntax and example, let's understand what the mid functions. The mid functions in Excel is used to extract a specific number of characters from a text string at a specific position. Okay, now if I want to show off the syntax of mid functions, right here equal and write the mid, then the here first on the text argument is the text string from which you want to extract characters. Okay, the next one is the start number, and this is the argument is the positions from which you want to start texting character. Then the number characters, the num characters, the argument is the number of the characters you want to exit it. Okay, so let's start with the example. Say we have the customer's name and we want to use the mid functions to find out the Excel this one. So what I'm gonna do, I will select this one, then I want to, this is the text, then comma, then start number. I want to start from the E. So here I say the 1, then the next one the number of characters. So how many characters do you want to check from or state from the here? So I want to 1 2 3 4 and 5. So right here the 5 and close it with the parenthesis. So here we got it, the Excel in there, and we used the mid functions. Now let's move into the next customer name and use here the mid function, and again I want to use the text from this one, then use the start number. So I want to use in, so I started here is the 5 and 6, and I want to write here the 7, then I want to keep like that 2, then close it, hit on the OK. So here got it. Now same way we will use this one. So here the mid function, then stack, select this one, then the start number. I want to start, we have here the 7, then 8, we can say the 5 6 7 8 9, and this is the 10. So right here the 10, and I want to use overall 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So right here the 7 and close it, hit on the OK. So by this way you can easily use the mid functions to extract the specific data or specific text from your workbook. So there's a wrap up for our Excel mid functions tutorial. We are covered what the mid functions it is and its syntax and provide example for your work. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.